Hello students, in this video I am going to give super trick to find the shape of molecule. Definitely you can find the shape of any kind of molecule if you know this trick. We'll see, but here first I am explaining only molecules without lone pair, not a lone pair, without lone pair. First we'll start with sp hybridization. Here we'll write the column hybridization. Then here bond pair, take the paper and pen, write down students, lone pairs and structure. Then here example. Okay, see hybridization right here, sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, then sp3d2. okay, next sp3d3 here bond pairs. How many bond pairs? You simple remember this. Don't write one here, left one, and start from 2, 3, 4, 5, see here 6, 7. First you write this sp, sp2, sp3 hybridization, then bond pairs you can start with, you have to start with 2, then lone pair 0 for all 0, I will keep, otherwise you will confuse. 0 structure. Now structure, we'll draw the structure for sp. See here, suppose the molecule we have to consider the central atom is A. So sp means only 2 hybrid orbitals. So 1, 2. The shape is linear. This is the structure and the shape is linear. Here you are learning at a time structure and the shape. Okay, structure is linear. Structure is like this and the shape is linear. Now sp2. sp2 means 3. So for example, we have 3 balloons. How we have to arrange? Like this we have to arrange. If you arrange very closely, the repulsive forces are very more, so the molecule is not stable. Okay, see here, this is the shape of the molecule is trigonal planar. For this example, best example, beryllium chloride, BeCl2 and CO2 are the example for the sp hybridization. And trigonal planar, for these examples are what will take, BF3, BCl3 are the best example for this. This is sp2 hybridization. This is sp hybridization. Now we'll go for the sp3 hybridization. See here, sp3 hybridization, 4 hybrid orbitals are there. So we have to arrange 4 hybrid orbitals for our convenient. For our convenient means hybridization is only theoretical. This is not practical. We are arranging the hybrid orbitals based on their structures and less repulsive forces. It should have less repulsive. Then only it will get stable. See, tetrahedral means, so four hybrid orbitals we are arranging like this, in this manner, tetrahedral manner. Like this we are arranging the tetrahedral manner we are arranging. So give the example, best example, CH4. I say H4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we'll go for the sp3d. So how many hybrid orbitals are there? 3, 4, 5. Total 5 are there. So how can you arrange that 5? See here, how can you arrange that 5? Like this, central atom, 1, 2, 3, 1 is up and 1 is down, like this, and the shape is trigonal by pyramidal. Diagonal by pyramidal. Example is PCl5. Hybridization is sp3d. Okay. Next we'll go for the sp3d2 hybridization. Total 3 plus 1 5 plus 2. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, total 6 hybrid orbitals we are arranging like this. Observe students, it's very easy. So 6 are there, we are arranging like this. So 4, remaining 2 are there, 1 is up, 1 is down. What is the shape of this molecule, student? Octahedral. See, like this it will come, like this. Octahedral shape. Okay. Next we'll go for the sp3d3. sp3d3. Here we'll write sp3d3. Total 7 hybrid orbitals. How we can arrange? Just you think like that. We are arranging the balloons in different ways. That's it. 7 balloons are there. That 7 balloons we are arranging like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 1 is up, 1 is down. What is the shape of this? Pentagonal by pyramidal. This is about hybridization without lone pairs. In the next session, we'll discuss compounds with lone pair. Hope this video will help you. If you like my video, please like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.